Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro are scheduled to launch globally on September 26th. The teaser shows Leica optics for the phones. Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro leak in official-looking renders showing all colors. The Xiaomi 14T come in lemon green, Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray colors. The Xiaomi 14T Pro come in Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray colors. And we already see the Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro real images. Two have been leaked online as a TikTok user shared a hands-on review video of the phone lineup. According to leaked promo materials, both phones come with Circle to Search pre-installed, along with other Google Gemini-powered AI features like AI Notes, AI Interpreter, AI Subtitles, and AI Voice Recorder. The Xiaomi 14T Pro, using MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus SoC. It's managed to score 9,369 in the single-core round and 26,083 in the multi-core round. The phone will run on Android 14 OS out of the box and pack 12GB RAM. Xiaomi 14T Pro feature a 6.67-inch 144Hz OLED display with 1.5K resolution and 1,600 nits of nominal brightness and 4,000 nits of peak brightness. The Xiaomi 14T Pro will get a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 900 primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50-megapixel 2.6x Leica telephoto camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi 14T Pro is a 5,500 mAh battery with 120W charging support. The 14T's price has been rumored to be €649, while the 14T Pro will apparently go for €899. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.